In this video, we are going to learn how to create a love shape or a heart shape in Adobe Illustrator. So first, go to the toolbar, set fill color none and stroke color red and stroke size 5 pt. Click on the rectangle tool. Now click here. Set wide 500 pixel and height 1200 pixel. Click here to round the corner. Now make another copy of this shape. Hold the Alt key from the keyboard and drag the shape. Now click the right button on the shape. Go to Transform. Click on Rotate. Make the angle 90 degree. Click on the OK button. Select both shape together. Click on Window. Click on Align. Click on the horizontal align center. Then click on the vertical align center. Then hold the Shift key and rotate the shape. Then go to the toolbar. Click on Shape Builder. Select inside like this. Click on the Direct Selection tool. Separate the love shape. Delete this extra part. Hold the Alt key from the keyboard and drag the love shape. Make another copy like this. Go to the toolbar. Click on Swap, Fill and Stroke. We will make another copy of this shape. The shape must be selected. Now go to the menu bar. Click on Effect. Go to 3D and Materials. Click on Extrude and Bevel. Click on Inflate. Do the setting show in the video. Now we select the next shape. Click on Extrude. Increase the depth 7 inches. Then we select the next shape. Click on Extrude. Increase the depth 4 or 5 inches. Okay, the 3D shape is ready. Thanks for watching the video.